Hey everyone! Today I decided to show you guys a recipe that I got from HelloFresh. This cherry glazed chicken is determined to tickle your taste buds, especially when paired along with these roasted Brussels sprouts and creamy garlic mashed potatoes. This is a very simple dinner recipe that I'm sure you're going to add as a staple to your weekly meals. This recipe feeds a family of 4, only takes 35 minutes to cook and 10 minutes to prep. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. To start, you're going to want to adjust your oven rack to its top position and preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then you're going to dice your potatoes into 1/2-inch pieces and place them in a medium pot with enough salted water to cover by about 2 inches. Then you're going to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. A quick tip, covering your water with a lid will bring it to a boil much faster. While your potatoes cook, you're going to want to wash and dry your Brussels sprouts. Trim and halve the sprouts lengthwise. Then you're going to peel and mince your garlic. Another little hack I learned is pressing down on the garlic with the knife first to make it easier to peel. Now you're going to drizzle some olive oil over your Brussels sprouts, add some salt, and some pepper. Then you're going to toss them until thoroughly coated. Now on a large baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and well oiled, make sure that you flip your Brussels sprouts face down. Now you're going to roast your Brussels sprouts on the top rack until golden brown and tender, about 18 to 22 minutes. Now pat your chicken dry with paper towels and season generously all over with salt and pepper. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat, add the chicken and cook until browned and cooked through, 165 degrees. This is usually about 3 to 5 minutes per side, but every stovetop is different. Now you're going to reserve about a cup of potato cooking liquid and then drain the rest from the potatoes. Once your potatoes are drained, turn the heat to low and add a few pinches of your minced garlic. Now you're going to add half the thyme and half of the potato cooking water. This will loosen up your potatoes a little bit while you mash them through the first time. Now add 4 tablespoons of butter. Stir in the butter until fully melted, then add the other half of your potato cooking water. Mash your potatoes. Now add your sour cream and stir thoroughly. Add in some salt and pepper. A little secret that I like to add that was not in this recipe is about a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese. This adds a more robust flavor to your potatoes and it thickens them up a little bit too. By now your chicken should be thoroughly cooked. Transfer the chicken to a plate and keep warm. Now you're going to drizzle some more olive oil into the pan used for the chicken, then add the remaining amount of your garlic. Add in the rest of the thyme and scrape up any brown bits while you stir the garlic. When the garlic is softened, you're going to add a 1/3 cup of water, 4 teaspoons of vinegar, your stock concentrate, and the cherry jam. The liquid will help scrape up any remaining brown bits. Stir until thickened for about 2 to 4 minutes. Now you're going to stir in 2 tablespoons of butter and then season with some salt and pepper. Mix thoroughly. Now your sauce is ready. Add your chicken and its juices back to the pan And then you're going to turn it a few times to coat the chicken. Make sure you really lather the chicken in this sauce. Now your chicken is ready to transfer to a cutting board. Slice your chicken crosswise, and now you're ready to plate. Divide your Brussels sprouts and your creamy garlic potatoes. Then you're going to add your sliced chicken. You can also add a little extra sauce if desired. Voila! The fragrant herb of thyme adds an earthy touch to a tangy pan sauce. The great thing about this meal is it pairs with both a red and a white wine. Believe me when I tell you this meal was so mouth-wateringly delicious. If you want to see more recipes, make sure you subscribe and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you soon!